Hello everybody, this is Kyle Speed One coming to you from the racetrack. I've been busy again. Finally got some supplies in and some kits from Race Track Scenics, and I guess I'll show you what I progressed on. Okay, the first product is lichen that I got off of eBay from a hobby store on eBay, and I'm using that foam tack glue from Woodland Scenics, and the lichen is from Woodland Scenics, and I've been going around the racetrack installing that lichen around. I added that wall down the pit road, and there's more of the lichen. Finally finished up my building, added that door so it looks like you can come out to the patio. Moved my Ferrari sign around, added the lichen around the side of the track and down the wall of the mountain there. Okay. That lichen adds a nice little effect, doesn't it? I even added some to the interior of the hairpin. But I've got a project from Race Track Scenics that's called the hairpin grandstand that I'm currently putting together, but I'll show that on another video. Now there's the grandstands from Race Track Scenics. Of course, I painted them blue. I think it's called True Blue, and acrylic, apple barrel, I think it is, and white, keeping with the rest of my buildings being blue and white. Okay. So it's a real easy kit to put together. You don't have to think about it too hard. It's pretty easy to put together. I put some shrubs in around the flag stand, around the track. The trees are supposed to be in the mail. I haven't received those yet, but they're supposed to be coming if we don't get raptured first, which is okay. I'd rather go upstairs anyway. But there's the lichen in its form from the bag. You just tear off what you need. And I use this foam tack, glue from Woodland Scenics, and it dries clear. And that's what I've been attaching the lichen with to the track. Okay. And here's the bag. Of lichen from Woodland Scenics. Okay. So, yeah, if you want to Excuse me. If you want to add a little bit of greenery and life to your racetrack, that lichen works out really, really well. Now, I've got 2 of these grandstands. This one's going here, and the other one, when I get it finished, is going to go here. It's going to go in this area here. And then, like I said, and you can look it up on the Race Track Scenics website, but they've got one that's just engineered for the hairpin, the Carrera hairpin, and it sits right, let's see, right within the hairpin, and it's a bleacher, shaded bleacher system. And it is a big kit. It takes up pretty much from here to right here. So from there all the way to there, it takes up that space. But like I said, when you get done with it, it could add a really nice aesthetic building to your racetrack. And don't forget about using that lichen. It's not all that expensive. And if you're in some parts of the country where lichen grows, and apparently it likes to be around pine trees, in pine tree areas, then you can go out and pick some of it for yourself. It's kind of like a algae type thing. Moss. I call it moss, but I think it has several different names. But yeah, if you want to liven up your racetrack and do some landscaping, and see, some of it's in different colors, so you get a mix of dying or not so well-to-do bushes, as well as the bright green ones that look like they're thriving and doing well. So it adds some color to your track. Okay. So give it a try. Do some scrap building. Use your imagination. And see what works for you. I'm pretty pleased with this so far. That's all I've got for now. I'll talk to you later. God bless you. Take care. Bye.